Closet Factory is a family-owned business that prides themselves in a quality product that's made right here in Kentucky. I'm at their Middletown location on their manufacturing side of their business. I'm joined by Bill Weldon, the owner, out here. And so you take great pride in your products. So why was it important for your manufacturing side of the business to be right next to your showroom?
More convenient and more accessible to have the shop next to the showroom. Plus, it's very important when the clients come in, we take them out here first to show them we actually make it right here. It's custom made. And just for practicality, it's nice to have the operations side and the shop side by side. So we run back and forth. And honestly, when you're behind a computer screen all day long, it's nice to come out here and smell the sawdust once in a while. We love that part of it.
Absolutely. It's like your magic dust out here, right? And so since you make everything here, you offer a wide range of different materials and colors, right?
We've got all kinds of materials from classic white. That's about 80% of what we do is classic white. Looks beautiful. And you can have different textures and colors. Really some unbelievable types of materials we can offer. And to come into the showroom and see them, touch and feel them really gives you a better sense of appreciation of what we can offer.
We often think of bedroom closets, but you can do really any room in the house, right?
Oh, we do everything. We really love doing garages, your floors, your cabinets, pantries, laundry rooms, mud rooms. We've done some phenomenal wine cellars and wine bars, bourbon display units. So we tell people, if you can think of it, we can do it. If you think of it, it's kind of crazy, we'll tell you, but we'll still try to do it. But we can really do anything, and we enjoy that part of it.
I'm now joined with Kyle Weldon, the Director of Engineering and Design. And so you help the customer from start to finish, but before they pick out all those materials and different colors, what happens first?
Yeah, so we'll have a designer come out to the space. They'll talk to you a little bit about what you're looking for in if it's one space or multiple spaces. Get an idea of some of the things that maybe you've seen online, some of your ideas. Then they'll start taking measurements. They'll give dimensions of not only the space, but as well as the items you've got in there, your clothing. And after we come up with a design that we like, they'll sit down with you. They'll make sure that everything looks good to you in a 3D model. And then from there, we'll give it to our design team, and they'll essentially start engineering the parts, everything that's going to go into it. They'll order everything, come up with a cut list to cut all the pieces of melamine, and then from there that'll get sent out here to the shop, and then the magic all happens out here. So they'll start cutting everything, and then essentially when it's done, it'll be laying on a table the morning of. An installer will come grab it, and they'll bring it out to your home, and all the puzzle pieces will come together in your home. So pretty cool process that we're pretty proud of. So.
Yeah, and everything happens right behind your showroom, because this is where your manufacturing happens. And so what does Kentucky Crafted mean to your business?
Yeah, so everything we do is done here in Kentucky. Our shop is here in Kentucky. Everything's manufactured here. But what that means more, I guess, culturally, from our perspective, we really take pride in making sure that everything is, constantly improving, always looking for ways to make things better for the clients, but as well as, our folks working out here in the shop, making their lives easier, which at the end is going to give us a better product for the client in the end, and hopefully build relationships that, last a long time. So, yeah, that's what it means to me.
Yeah, absolutely. So to get started today with that consultation, you can go to closetfactory.com/Louisville.